So the plan's here to keep that bank right there from washing down. We are taking this side lower, kind of putting all the bigger rocks against that bank, and then this side right here we're gonna cut out, dig up some stumps here, and I'm saving all the big rocks, that pile I got. So I'm gonna put it against that bank right there, and right here to keep it from cutting more into the bank. And I got the Mini X. My brother is on the skid steer, and so he's helping me pull all this gravel up to like a little, it's like an alley up there, and so we just kind of making a little road to get all this gravel out. And so that helps a lot to have somebody moving the rocks and dirt down there. So we're gonna keep grinding. Probably got another 2 more hours, and then we'll be done here. And then we gotta fix a way out and clean some brush up there. All I do when he comes back, I'll loose it up so he can scoop it better, because for some reason with rocks it's hard to scoop into the skid steer. But it's working out, a little progress at a time. So I'll put the phone down here and hopefully y'all can still watch me and see how